Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App error. As you can see guys, when I'm going to open my Cash App, it's showing us something went wrong. Please check your network connection. But you can see here I have connected with Wi-Fi, but it's showing here, as you can see guys. So how can you fix it? Just simply close this page and firstly make sure that you have connected with internet, as you can see guys. So firstly what you need to do is just simply turn the aeroplane mode at least for the 60 second and then turn it off again and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if option select this there, then what you need to do is just simply open Play Store, and from here you have to search for Cash App. Here it is guys, and from here you have to make sure that you have an updated version and then go back and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the option is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings and then you have to tap on app management, and from here you have to tap on app settings, and from here you have to search for Cash App. Here it is guys. So you have to clear cache and clear storage, go back and then force stop the app from here and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the bounce is there, then finally what you need to do is just simply uninstall the Cash App from your phone and then restart your phone and then reinstall the Cash App. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.